Let us see this caselet which says 25 colored beads are to be arranged in a grid comprising of 5 rows and 5 columns. Each cell in the grid must contain exactly one bead. Each bead is colored either red, blue or green. So three colors available for those beads. Now, while arranging the beads along any of the 5 rows or along any of the 5 columns, the rules given below are to be followed. So these are the rules we need to follow to represent or to fill those beads in the grid. Some extra condition is there. Every unique complete arrangement of 25 beads is called a configuration. So they have defined the configuration which is valid. Every unique complete arrangement of, so basically we need to arrange those 25 beads, and the every different or unique arrangement will called a configuration. So there can be many configuration. Right, let's see the questions. The total number of possible configurations using beads of only two colors is, right? So we need to find out ki if we are using only two colors, then how many possible configuration is possible. Question number 2, what is the maximum possible number of red beads that can appear in any configuration? So we need to maximize the red colored beads. Question number 3, what is the minimum number of blue beads in any configuration? So here we need to minimize blue beads, right? So we can solve question number 2 and question number 3 simultaneously. It is saying maximum number of red beads. Question number 3 is saying minimum number of blue beads. So we can use somewhat of this, what we will do in question number 2, right? Minimum number of blue beads means we need to maximize the number of other beads which is red and green, right? So here we'll maximize the red beads and then we'll try to maximize the green beads. Now, two red beads have been placed in a second row third column and third row second column. How many more red beads can be placed? So here this question we need to again do it separately. ठीक है, so first we will see the conditions and then we'll check the questions. The first condition is two adjacent beads along the same row or same column are always different color. So we can say that two adjacent different colors, either it is in same row or in same column. Now there is at least one green bead between any two blue beads along the same row or same column. तो at least one green between two blue, right? कम से कम एक green तो होना चाहिए two blue के बीच में. There is at least one blue and at least one green bead between any two red beads along the same row or column. So again at least one blue and at least one green होना चाहिए between two red. कम से कम एक blue और या एक blue and एक कम से कम एक green होना चाहिए between two red. Right? These are the conditions. Right? So as we talk about first question, it says total number of possible configuration using beads of only टू कलर्स इज, राइट? तो दो ही कलर से मेरे को बनाना है एंड टोटल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कितने बनेंगे वो मेरे को पता करना है. अब दो ही कलर से बनाना है बट वी नो दैट कि 5 रोज एंड 5 कॉलम्स हैं अगर, तो डेफिनेटली एंड बाय लुकिंग इनटू द कंडीशन टू एडजेसेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स है, राइट? तो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कि मेरे को मिनिमम दो कलर तो लेने ही पड़ेंगे फॉर एनी रो, ठीक है, एंड दैट टू आउट ऑफ देम वन विल कम थ्राइस एंड वन विल कम ट्वाइस, तो मिनिमम टू टाइम्स आएगा ही आएगा. देन वी हैव वन कंडीशन दैट देयर शुड बी एटलीस्ट वन बी एंड एटलीस्ट वन जी बिटवीन टू आर, right? So definitely r is not possible, right? So r cannot be possible because if r comes then definitely 1b or 1g तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, right? Because by looking into the condition, all these conditions, right, we know that कि adjacent same color नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है, और if there are red तो 1b, if there are two red और minimum if there are only two colors तो minimum किसी color के दो beads तो same row या same column में होंगे. And then we have condition कि at least 1b and at least 1g between 2 are, तो r is not possible, otherwise तीनों कलर लाने पड़ेंगे. If r is not possible we have only choice of choosing g and b, right? right? But how, when all the conditions will get satisfied, how we can arrange that? We should arrange G and B alternately. Either you can start with G or B alternatively, so there can be only two configuration possible which satisfies these conditions. First we start with G and alternatively we'll put GB, GB, GB and in rows and columns, and the second configuration is we can start with B and alternately put BG, 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 right? So here no need to draw the grid, we can directly mark our answer as, or key in the answer as, total number of configuration is 2. Right, so two configuration possible, one starting with G and one starting with B. Now question number 2, what is the maximum possible number of red beads that can appear in any configuration? So we need to maximize the red beads. Okay, now we'll make a grid, and we know that we will also take care of question number 3 here, right? So now we'll make a grid of 5 by 5 and we need to maximize R. Okay, and question number 3 we need to minimize blue, so we'll take the care of that also, we'll try to do that, right? So R maximum करना है, तो first definitely, and for G we don't have any condition, so G can be anywhere as our choice. ठीक है, तो R maximum, तो let's start with R only if we need to maximize R, right? So we have started here R, and for R we have condition that at least one B and at least one G between two R, right? As we need to maximize R, तो हम एक ही B and एक ही G रखेंगे दो R के बीच में, ज़्यादा रखेंगे तो we cannot maximize R, right? So if this is R, तो at least one G and at least one B, so this should be R, right? Then if this is R, this should be R. If this is R, again after two places, this will be R, right? Now in this row, in these two columns and in these two row, no more R is possible. Now we'll talk about where R is not there. What about in this row? Definitely this row we have R. In this column, this row, we can possibly put R here. After 2 we can put R here, right? Here in this row we can put R here, and only one R is possible in this row. This row no extra R is possible. What about that last row? We have possible R here and here, two between, two places between two R's. So no more R possible other than this. So if we check total R possible, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So we know that maximum 9 possible, but not more than that, right? But we need to cross check it ki whether 9 possible or not. How? We need to put G and B colored beads and fill the grid. And if that is possible with this configuration, then we can mark our answer or key in our answer as 9 maximum are possible. Otherwise we need to check with 8 and so on. Right, अब now 1G and B, so let's again, as we need to maximize R, but for question number 3 we need to minimize B, so we will start with G, right? तो G को ही maximum करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो we'll start with G here. If G is here, then this should be B, right? Then again, if this is B, what will be here? Here B is not possible because there should be one G between two B, so here we can mention G, right? Then again this is R, we need to minimize B, so we'll put G here. Then B, again similarly B cannot be here because there should be one G between two B, so we'll put G. Then again, where if this is B, this should be definitely G, right? If this is B, this should be definitely G. If this is G, this should be B. This is B, this should be G. If this is G, this should be B, right? If this is B, this is R, this should be G. Right now we are, if this is G, this should be B, and if this is B, this should be G. Again, if this is G, this should be B, and this is B, this should be G, right? So we have tried maximize G and minimize B, right? And we can make a possible or valid configuration. So for question number 2, we can key in our answer as 9, right? 9 for question number 2. For question number 3, we need to minimize B. Again, we can use this configuration because we have maximized R and G. इस configuration में आप B का check करते हैं तो which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So we can key in question number 3rd, we can key in answer as to be 6, right? Let's see question number 4th. Two red beads have been placed in second row, third column and third row, second column. So they have given some configuration. Second row, third column, one red bead, and third row, second column. Third row, second column, one red bead. How many more red beads can be placed so as to maximize the number of red beads used in the configuration? Now it asks ki, now how many more red beads can be placed? And we need to maximize red beads. Now we'll check how many possible. If this is R, definitely there can be no R in this row. But what about column? If this is R, this can be R. And again, if this is R, there cannot be any R in this row. Right? What about again, if this is R, there cannot be any R in this row. Right? What about this row? This row, if this is R, this cannot be R. Right? But this can be R and this can be R. We need to maximize R. If this is R after two places, this can be R. If this is R after two places, this can be R. Now we'll check any other R possible or not. If this is R, this R can be possible here. So how many are till now? We have represent two were already there. These two, this and this. Rest we put. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है तो 6 maximum 6 possible, but we need to again make a valid configuration and check कि 6 possible हो सकते हैं कि नहीं. Now we'll arrange G and B, right? So that you can do in any order, either BG or GB, right? Doesn't matter, right? But G we can use anywhere, so we will start with G only, right? G, B. Then again, if this is G, this will be B. If this is B, this will be G. If this is G, this will be B, right? Now, if this is B, this cannot be B, because there should be at least one G between two B. So this should be G. If this is G, this should be B. If this is B, this is G. If this is G, this is B. If this is B, this should be G. Right? If this is G, this should be B. If this is B, this should be G. Again, this should be B and this should be G. If this is R and this is B, this cannot be B because there should be at least one G. So ये B नहीं हो सकता, so this should be G and this should be B. If this is B, this should be G. So yes, the configuration is possible. So we can key in 6 as the answer of this question. Right? So we are done with this case.